Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just be the foldable phone that changes everything. With the foldable market heating up and competitors like Huawei and Xiaomi pushing the boundaries, Samsung is under pressure to deliver something truly groundbreaking. And leaks suggest they might just pull it off. Recently, at MWC, Samsung showcased a mysterious foldable phone alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And while they didn't confirm it was a Fold 7, the device flaunted a near creaseless display, hinting at what's to come. Now, let's be clear. The crease isn't completely gone, but it's so faint that it's barely noticeable, which is a massive improvement over the Fold 6. And while this prototype might not be the final design, it gives us a glimpse into Samsung's vision for the future. Leaked renders also suggest that the Z Fold 7 will feature a wider, thinner design with square corners, making it look more modern and sleek. Plus, rumors point to a 200MP main camera, which would be a huge upgrade over the Fold SIXS 50MP sensor. But that's not all. The Fold 7 is expected to retain the 4,400 mAh battery of its predecessor, while offering bigger displays, ensuring a better user experience. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Samsung struggled to keep up with Chinese foldables. Competitors have been quick to address flaws like visible creases and bulky designs, leaving Samsung playing catch-up. But with the Fold 7, it seems Samsung is finally listening. The special edition Fold 6 already has a fainter crease, and the Fold 7 is expected to improve upon that even further. And while the prototype at MWC wasn't functional, it's a clear sign that Samsung is working hard to refine its foldable technology. So, what does this mean for you? If you've been holding off on buying a foldable phone, the Z Fold 7 might be worth the wait. With a near creaseless display, a thinner design, and a potential 200MP camera, it could finally deliver the premium experience Samsung fans have been craving. But will it be enough to win back customers? Only time will tell. For now, one thing's for sure, Samsung is stepping up its game, and the foldable market is about to get even more exciting. For more tech updates, leaks, and reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.